You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
Here's a look at Callaway Gardens from our Alpha Insurance Skycam in Pine Mountain. Temperature there 72 degrees.
A little cloudy.
A little cloudy.
Yeah. It started out pretty nice. We had sunshine earlier, which really allowed the warm temperatures up. The clouds have quickly moved in here. But the one thing we've been noticing as we've been watching the models here from yesterday to today, they get progressively drier. So, I mean, we're still going to...
So that rain we were expecting?
Yeah, we're still going to get a little rain, but it's just not going to mount a whole lot.
Okay.
Just enough to kind of dampen the roads the way it's looking right now. Let's go and see what's trending with the forecast as we're still tracking showers as a threat for today. That'll be coming on in here. And then we'll see a couple of dry days ahead before we see maybe another chance of a shower or two kind of coming in for the weekend. But really not that bad. Not expecting any of the heavy rains. We kind of need some time to dry out. We've had almost 8 inches of rain this month, so I think we're going to pretty much get that as we head for the next 7 days. What we're seeing right now is some rain showers back here off toward the north up near Atlanta and stretching back over toward Birmingham and Alexander City. You can see the rains here kind of moving off toward the east. The rains here from Atlanta stretching back over toward Oxford and stretching down over the south. Looks like that's where the heavier rains are setting up. Really, this is not all that much. Little vortex, little spin here in the upper level, so right here along that boundary, and that's heading in our general direction. But again, not expecting a lot in the way of precipitation with this. Not any heavy amounts at all. Temperature right now at 76 degrees, getting close to our daytime high now that the clouds are starting to move on in here. 71 in Alexander City. You can see where the clouds and rain have kind of cooled the air mass up here in northern Alabama. 64 in both Huntsville and Birmingham. Out ahead of it where we had some sunshine. 78 in Macon, 77 in Vidalia. So you can clearly see that. There's the rain moving on through right now, stretching from some scattered showers from the West Virginia area back through Alabama, back through Mississippi, and this will be progressing on through. What I think's happened here is this high pressure ridge down to the Gulf of Mexico. It's really kind of beating back this little disturbance and this little weak frontal system that's moving on through and really not giving it much of a headway there. There's a dip in the jet stream. That's that system we're watching move on through. It's going to pull on out, and then we're going to watch this next little dip right in here. This one on Thursday will progress in our general direction heading toward Friday, and that may bring another slight chance of rain as we head into Friday. Look at Futurecast, show this in motion. We're going to go ahead and clear this front on through here for today, heading for tonight. So tomorrow should be a nice day ahead for Wednesday. Heading into Thursday should be pretty good. And then we'll watch another system on its heels coming in on Friday. But again, another fairly weak one at that. Maybe a shower or two for Friday morning, and then we should clear on out and hopefully have a nice day on Saturday. Breaking it down for the zones, we'll keep a shower threat in here for this afternoon. Temperatures here in the 70s, 74 in LaGrange, 73 in Lafayette, 76 in Thomaston. And heading down toward the south, going for 78 degrees here in Columbus, 76 in Tuskegee, and 78 in Ellaville. And down to the south, where we get a little more sunshine, pushing 80 degrees in Albany, 79 down at Fort Gaines, 78 over in Clayton for today. Watch out for those afternoon showers. All right, looking at the rest of the 7-day, 80 degrees, 81 degrees on Thursday, so some pretty nice days ahead. Lots of sunshine expected for Wednesday and Thursday. There's that slight chance of rain. Looks like it's going to be a Friday morning thing with the showers moving on in here. Saturday not looking bad, and maybe another chance of a spotty shower or two heading into Sunday. But overall, really not looking bad. Overnight lows are kind of creeping up a little bit. Maybe a little more humidity kind of climbing back in there.
Oh, don't say the H word.
Oh, no, not yet. I wouldn't call this really high humidity yet. But
yeah.
You'll start feeling a little bit.
Feeling a little bit. All right. Thank you so much, Greg. Well, the royal family